What's up guys, I'm MaxNoSleeves. Last week I made a video in this very bathroom. It was all about straightening my beard. I thought I looked whatever. Anyway, you looked good. Anyway, a lot of comments were about my beard and how it looked. That's what I was sort of expecting. What I wasn't expecting was so many comments about my shelves. Fix that fucking shelf, it's giving me such terrible anxiety. Dude, can we talk about your top shelf? I couldn't take my eyes off it. Thought it was gonna collapse and crush you under all the hairspray. That shelf is asking stuff to fall. And I don't know, it didn't really bother me. We don't really use this bathroom very much. And these shelves were sort of already installed when I got here. And to be honest with you, I thought it was just kind of funny and whatever. And then my friend texted me, by the way, your shelves are upside down. So today we're gonna do a little home improvement. Max improvement, that sounds great. One sec, I gotta go get into my uniform. Perfect. Got my pencil. Safety first. Whatever. Safety first. So if you've installed your shelf and it happens to be upside down, here's what you're gonna wanna do. First of all, take all the stuff off your shelf. I don't even know what these are. Ooh, replenishing cucumber mist. Very nice. Volumizing dry shampoo. Osis hairspray. Osis with Mimosis. And the good old faithful Febreze, Linen and Sky. Great for poops. I don't even know what these are. And this looks like decoration. The shelf, yes, it's hanging off the wall. It looks pretty terrible. It sort of just wiggles like that. Now what's nice about these is I think this part is just a sticker. And underneath, yep, a screw. So it's just these two screws here. And then we should just be able to flip the switch, right?
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody.
And then we're good to go. This sticker is not coming off very easily. It's kind of annoying. Hey, sticker, go f yourself. There we go. And to unscrew these a little bit faster, what's really nice is to have a handheld drill because it. Son of a bitch. Come on. Well, I couldn't find the charger for that one, so we're gonna go handheld, which we call the business screwdriver. God, I could go for a fucking screwdriver right now, dude. Uno. Oh, didn't think that through. And there you are. Ooh. Back when I was working construction. Back when I was picking beans in Guatemala.
Back when I was picking beans in Guatemala, we used to make fresh coffee. Right off the trees, I mean. That was good. This is shit, but hey, I'm in a police.
Can we get started again?
Back when I was working construction, they never let me do anything good because I always used to screw it up. One time they had us come in on a holiday morning and we had to mix concrete. We were laying a foundation in a building. So the way you mix concrete is it comes in a big dust bag. You dump it into a wheelbarrow, put some water in, and then you take a big stick and just. But I didn't realize I was doing it till that morning, so I went out the night before, went clubbing, you know. So then I had to show up the next day at like 6 a.m. at a construction site in like my literal fancy pants. And the guy just looked at me like, all right, go for it. So my specific mix of concrete ended up being concrete powder, water, and a little bit of my own puke. That worked, I don't know. Okay, so step 2 is you take out the 3rd screw. I suppose that's step 3. And you go lefty, whoa. That's 2. That was fucking annoying. Okay, so we're just gonna give these a nice little spray down. That smells really good. I think I'm in a small, non-ventilated room, huh? Unventilated? Where did we get these shelves? Great question. No idea. I think they're, oh, I thought they were IKEA, but it turns out they're from Mosslandia. Iceland, Greenland, Mossland. Don't matter, baby, as long as you're pretty. Well, that smells terrible. So yeah, I think if we just go like that, we're in business. What do you think? I'm actually asking, I have no idea how to do this. I know I got flannel on and a beard, so I'm playing the part. I'm the opposite of handy. 6-7 cups a morning, you know what I'm saying? Finally get to use this golf pencil. We're gonna go here and here. Yeah, that should do it. So step 1 of part 2 is put in the 4th screw. And I'm betting that's something you already know. It's my goddamn screwdriver. Uh-oh, stay there. Oh, yeah. Ah, methinks I should have wiped these off after screwing in the screws. There's a lot of dirt and dust here. Ugh. All right. I also brought my handy dandy little goo tube. My goo tube, obviously. Mm-hmm, not quite. This is called a level. When the bubble is on one side, that means it's off to that side. When it's right in the middle, that means it's level. Quick level check. Now it's tight, look at that, tight, tight. Hey, watch it. You guys know what a moon landing is? All right, looks pretty good. It's also a little weird doing this job because these screws do not look. Is that a problem? These screws aren't even close to similar. Ah. Oh, you little Wow. Solid. Some people like to screw with one hand, some people like to screw with two hands. In my opinion, the only thing you really need is lubrication. Yeah, how's it looking? Wow, that one's perfect. Level as a bevel. Wait, for those of you who don't get that joke, a bevel is inherently curved, so maybe educate yourself, you fucking. Okay, that looks pretty solid. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. Put this guy back here. Wow, look at that. Bam. 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 That's kind of annoying. This one doesn't really fit. Oh, God. Big brain activity.
My boy's wicked smart.
And there you are. I feel like a real boy. I mean, man. I feel like a real man. I think maybe, here's what we'll do. Leave the plant there. Get my coffee. Maybe the plant goes here. You're right. And I think we're good. Match is good here. This goes here. And we're good. You know what? That does feel good. You were right. Thanks, guys. You know what's crazy? That does make me feel a whole lot better. So what did we learn from this? Well, a lot of times if you don't notice something's a problem, it's not a problem until a lot of other people point it out to you. Then it's a huge problem and you need to fix it immediately. Lesson number 2, it might seem like a daunting task, but sometimes it's literally just taking stickers out and screwing stuff. And life lesson number 3, the most important life lesson, sometimes if something's broken or not working very well, maybe try to turn it upside down. Just gonna take a quick pic, send it to my buddy. Hey, fuckhead. Now you might be saying to yourself, man, did I just watch a whole video of a stupid idiot fix a shelf that was installed upside down in the first place? Well,